Here I have Motorola Moto G10, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to enable this mode, just go to the upper bar and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. By tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can also access some of its settings. For example, here you have such options as exceptions for this mode, for example, conversations, priority conversations, all conversations, calls, for example, from shared contacts, from anyone or from nobody. There's also an option to allow repeat callers if the same person calls a second time within 15-minute period. Allow it. The same goes to messages. You can also add apps to the exceptions, alarms and other interruptions. For example, you can add alarms, media sound to exceptions, touch sounds, reminders, calendar, events. You can add the schedule for this mode here, and in advanced you can also set a default duration for this mode. And there's an option display. Here you can block notifications, like here you can block sound notification, here you can block and visual and sound notifications. And in custom you can customize for yourself which notifications you want to hide, which you want to unhide. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.